I have this glass coffee table that has got some scratches on it. I will show you how to use a window tint to put it on top to cover all the scratches and marks on this glass table. If you like to watch the longer version of this video with more details, please press the link over here. You will be needing the following items for this exercise. A glass window tint. This is a Pillar Glare Control Auto Vision Adhesive window tint from Bunnings. It cost me around $30. It is 0.6 meter wide and 3 meters in length, which is more than enough to cover my coffee table, which is 0.7 meter wide and 1.2 meter long. I've already got the measurements done. If you're doing for your coffee table or your window, you have to do the measurements first before you buy the window tint. If you need to buy a bigger window tint, you have to do it accordingly as per your measurements. Second thing you will need is a pair of scissors. Third is a sharp knife. You will use it to cut off the edges at the end. A bit of a soapy water in a spray bottle. I'll have a rag as well. Plus I will have the towel to catch the drips. Last but not least, a credit card or a little squeegee to squeeze the water out from inside of the window tint when you lay on top of the glass table. So that will really come in handy. In this case, I'm using my Everyday Rewards card. That's pretty much it. Let's start. First step is to get the glass squeaky clean so there is no dirt, dust, grime sitting on top when we lay the tint film. For this purpose, I'll be using soapy water in the spray bottle and my microfiber cloth. Now I will put the window tint film over the table. It is better to roll the window film out onto a flat horizontal surface and trim to size, but in my case, I will be doing it on my table. I will allow a few centimeters overlap for all four sides. Now I can start peeling the backing off the sticky side of the film. Here I should have had the sticky side facing up so I can peel off the non-sticky side by spraying on top of the sticky side. As I remove the non-sticky side, I will keep spraying soapy water on the sticky side. Don't be greedy when spraying the soapy water. More the better. Once the non-sticky side is removed, the sticky side is all wet, I will turn it around as such and place it on the table in its final position. I will spray the soapy water onto the glass surface as well to make sure that there is complete coverage of soapy water between the tin film and the glass. Here I should have used a helping hand to assist me in turning over the film, as even though the film is wet and not sticky, the film can get kinked if it bends, and that will produce imperfections in the final result. As you can see here, the tin film is gliding over the glass surface due to soapy water and not sticking to the glass at all. Once the film is in its final position, I will start using the plastic card to squeeze out water from underneath the film. Use towel and microfiber cloth to capture the drips and wipe off any excess water. Use the small plastic card to remove any water bubbles. You can work out any pockets of water at the same time. Working the water towards the corner in as hard as you can, squeegeeing towards the outside. Keep wiping the water from the edge of the glass where it tends to accumulate. Here I have some stubborn water pockets that are becoming very hard to squeeze out, so I will let them air dry. I'll come back after a few hours to work on them again and see if they are completely removed. Now I will be using a very sharp blade to trim the edges of the table. Sharper the blade, easier it is to get a nice, smooth, clean cut. As you can see, I'm keeping the blade at 45-degree angle to the surface of the glass. Alright, I'm back after a few hours. Hopefully all the water would have been drying up underneath. Let's see if I can squeeze this one out. Yep. It's working. Okay. It's good. And this one as well. There you go. Now it's all done, and as you can see, the before and after results. I'm very happy how this has turned out, and all the marks and scratches have been well covered by this new window tint. Guys, if you find this video useful, please press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and press the notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.